Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Integrity Locums. They're looking for a physician recruiter. It pays up to $300,000 a year. Integrity Locums is a healthcare staffing agency that has been voted as number 25 best places to work in Denver. Guided by our core values, we strive to provide flawless service to the healthcare providers who work for us and the facilities we work with. We highly prioritize work-life balance and valuing our employees by offering the following: supportive, engaged, and fun culture with amazing teammates. Unlimited PTO with 9 paid holidays and 48 hours of sick leave. Soft Fridays. Remote workforce with lots of opportunities to connect virtually and in person. 100% employer paid, life, short, and long-term disability. Covers 75% of medical insurance. Dental, vision, voluntary life, accident insurance, and pet insurance available. 401k with 4% company match after 90 days with no vesting period. Pre- and post-tax options available. A formal onboarding and training program. A year-end vacation awarded to top producers and Business Associate of the Year. Monthly awards. Monthly phone stipend. Monthly charitable donation made on behalf of employee chosen by the employee. Core values: funitivity, spreading happiness through contagious positive energy. Dedication, the drive and persistence to achieve greatness. Communication with integrity, be respectful with your words and actions while always being transparent. Dependability, reliable, accountable, engaged. At Integrity Locums, our consultants are the engine driving our machine. They encompass our core values, are driven to succeed, and thrive in a competitive atmosphere. They also have a high level of emotional intelligence and crave meaningful connection. If you're charming on the surface but have a deep desire to achieve greatness, this is the job for you. What you'll do: build and maintain relationships with qualified physicians and advanced practice providers. Develop and maintain working knowledge of physician specialties and hospital procedures. Utilize phone, email, and text message technology to fill open jobs. Manage communication with provider from submission to placement. Meet and exceed monthly and quarterly goals. Have fun with the most knowledgeable and ambitious team. What you're good at: conversing and engaging with strangers. Juggling multiple balls at the same time. Structuring your time efficiently. Creative thinking. Negotiating. Sales, salary range $65,000 up to $300,000. We are an equal opportunity employer. All applicants will be considered for employment without attention to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, veteran or disability status. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $300,000 per year. Benefits: 401k matching. Dental insurance. Employee assistance program. Flexible schedule. Health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, referral program, retirement plan, vision insurance. Schedule Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.